Oh, what's that? Oh, you're just walking over here with your box? Okay, let's move it. That's fine. Let's move it this way. Wait, honey. I know. I'm going to move out of the way. Okay, there you go. Go crazy. Did you start to see what's in the box? There's a bunny in that box. Uh-oh. Looks like we have to turn around. Okay, let's turn the box this way. Go this way now. You almost got it there. Joey, there you. Oh, so close. Mesmerized by her reflection. Yay! Yay! That's a great try. Careful, careful, careful. Careful, that box slides quickly, doesn't it? Can we come back this way on the carpet? That way if you fall, it's no big deal. No big deal. Uh-oh. Joey. Peekaboo. Benny, Benny, Benny. Benny, Bunny. You want to push the box and hold Benny at the same time. You're fine, honey. Benny's waiting in the box. You want to play with Benny now, or would you like to push the box around some more?